Hello my friends, how are you today? I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord project. Today for you I have this awesome paracord bracelet designed by my friend Arlind. You can find Arlind on the Instagram. He has the account under the my paracord designer name, so go ahead and check Arlind. He has some awesome paracord project as well. The cord used in today's project, as you can see, is the shorter black 550 paracord and combined sky blue and the black paracord 550 as well. The length of the cord is down below this video in the video description. Also, you can check the information cards in the top right corner to check out how to create this awesome paracord bracelet and many other useful paracord tutorials. So that being said, I'm gonna take this shorter black paracord and then I'm gonna pass it to the jig and we're gonna secure on the end, so like this, and simply tight it. Later on we're gonna create the stop knot, but for now we're gonna first take the sky blue and the black and we're gonna start with today's project. I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see, and here we are. We're gonna take this end where we join together to the black and the blue, and we're gonna simply create the basic Solomon knot or a cobra weave. So on top of those two cord strands we're gonna put the sky blue, and then with the black one we're gonna go on top of the sky blue, around and through the loop on the left side like so, and we're gonna pull it to make it tight, firm and secured, and pull it a bit up to here so you can have this loop for a stop knot later. And now we're gonna take the sky blue and we're gonna make it on top of the two bracelet cord strands, and then with the black cord we're gonna make it on top of it and then around and through the loop of this sky blue, but with the loop of the black like so. So this is almost the cobra weave or Solomon, but here we have yet another step added. So we take the black end and we're gonna make it through the loop on the right side, the loop of black cord, paracord, sorry, and here I'm gonna pull it to make it tight. And the first knot of today's project, or first weave, is done. Now we're gonna continue. So take the sky blue, make on top of the bracelet core, the black on top of the sky blue, and through the loop of the sky blue paracord created on the left side, and pull it to make it tight, firm and secured, and then take the black and pass it through the loop of the black paracord on the left side. Now pull it to secure it and proceed. Now the basic pattern of this weave is that we put the sky blue on top of the bracelet core, and then we take the black on top of the sky blue around, and from the back side we create a little loop and pull it through the loop of the sky blue like so, and we're gonna pull that together to tight it well, cinch it, and then we're gonna pass it through this loop of the black paracord, the remaining black paracord and we're gonna pull it to make it tight, secure it, and continue. So in the end, my friends, if you like this video, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. Of course, if you find this video valuable and you wanna more videos like this. So here we are on the very end of today's project. As you can see, I have here a little bit more of sky blue. So we're gonna take the sky blue and we're gonna make it on top of the bracelet core. Then we're gonna do the same we did with the black one, create a loop and make it through the loop on the right. So pull, and by doing this you will see we have the locking pattern or locking mechanism for today's project. So pull the sky blue, lock it and pull it through like so. And so from here we're gonna finish it with the diamond stop knot. So take the ends of a cord like this end, twist, let me just zoom, twist like this, and now with this cord here make it under this one and on top of this and inside the loop and under this end here. So by doing this we create the carex band, as you can see here clearly, and from here we're gonna take this end, make it around next to this one here, exiting the paracord bracelet. Pull it a bit to make it firm and tight, and as I said, take this end, make it around, and next to this one here make it through this loop here in the middle like so, and with this end here make it around next to this end here, this left end, and make it next to it and through the middle like so. Now pull it to make it tight and proceed.